The question says, if figure X is rotated by 1 by 2 of a turn, then which option represents the resulting figure? Then you are given a figure X, then you are given 4 options A, B, C and D. So 1 by 2 of a turn, so you see over here in the figure you have got a star, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pointed star with 2 smileys and 4 stars of different colors. So this is 1 by 2 turns. So 1 by 2 turns, as we know that if we turn a figure 1 by 2 clockwise or anti-clockwise, the result will be same. So we need not to worry about whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. So it's 1 by 2 turn means whatever be there in the upper portion will come down to this position. So you see over here, this smiley, this figure will be rotated to this position. If you go through the options, you will see that in which figure this smiley is downwards, this smiley with the pointed portion of the star is downwards. So you see we have got B over here where this smiley with pointed portion, and option C is having smiley with pointed portion in downward direction. But as you turn this figure 1 by 2 turn, then you see that this curved portion of the smile is pointed downward, is toward this particular point. So this curved portion of the face will also be towards the pointed portion. If you see figure C, you see that this particular curved portion of the face of the smiley is not towards this pointed portion, whereas this curved portion of the smiley is towards the pointed portion. So option C is the right answer. If you turn this star 1 by 2 of a turn, then the figure will be exactly like figure C. Now also check whether these stars, red stars and the yellow stars, are in the correct position. Yes, these yellow stars and the pink stars are in the correct position. The only difference between option B and option C is the face of the smiley. So first of all, we eliminated this A and D, and out of this B and C, we have found correctly that option C is the right resulting figure if the test figure is turned 1 by 2 of a turn. So for such type of question, you need a good observation skill and a lot of practice. So practice the test questions with Decode Monk. Thank you. Now let us see another variation of the question. If figure X is rotated by 3 by 4 of a turn clockwise, then which option represents the resulting figure? The figure is same as before. So it is asked if you turn the figure 3 by 4 of a turn. So as we already know, this is 1 by 4, this is half turn clockwise, and this is 3 by 4 turn clockwise. So this whole is 3 by 4 turn clockwise. So if this figure is turned 3 by 4 turn clockwise, then definitely we can be sure that this particular pointed triangle, the pointed portion of the star will be over here, and the smiley with the curved portion will be like this. So this pointed star will be towards this position. From our findings, we can say that there is no pointed portion over here. So we can cross this or eliminate this. Similarly, we can eliminate B also. We can eliminate C also. We are left with option D, where we have got pointed in this direction with smiley with the curved portion towards the pointer. And we can check the other things also. Yes, red stars are like the two hands of these particular smiley. This smiley is also correctly positioned with yellow stars. So option D is the right answer over here. So observe the figures carefully, and a good practice will give you a edge over other students. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you.